Hello, this is Austin Wixon, and here I'm with my boy Aiden, McGuire, and now we are going fishing today. Now that's my lure right there. Look at that, it's so sexy. Look at that.
It's like 10:40.
I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's like 10 o'clock at night, and we are currently moving in the water. I don't know if y'all can see that we're moving, but there is the shoreline. But we are moving. There's the water. Okay, we have not had any luck at all. Have we?
Not at all.
I know, freaking sucks.
Just earlier at your pond.
Huh?
Just earlier at your pond, I caught one.
Yeah. We were over at my pond earlier and he caught one bass, and it was pretty small though. But yeah, we're using ham. That's a Sprite can, don't pay attention to that. And there's a nasty mud looking crap in the anchor. Yeah.
Tell
What am I
them about how
talking
bad it
about?
was.
Yeah, okay, that was bad. So I was trying to catfish, and freaking I caught the anchor 3 times. 3 times with a treble hook, and it took like, how many minutes did it take to get out?
Like 5.
Yeah. Dude, I'm looking for a whole bunch of things in here. This is fun though. I like doing this. Okay, I'm about to take a video of me fishing. Oh, there's a fish, dude, right there. Hey, stop right here. Stop right here. Let's do this. Drop the anchor. Or no, I have it back here.
Hey, I'm just gonna go in reverse. Drip.
No, drop the anchor.
No, I'm just gonna drip.
No, I'm dropping the anchor. I'm just kidding. Dude, fish everywhere right here. I'm not joking.
Yes.
I don't have my fishing pole. I swear, you dumbass. I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm gonna turn my this big flashlight off real quick so I can catch some fish, because they're all hiding in these weeds over here. Sorry if I cuss. I'm just getting scared because I'm about to fall, or there's a whole bunch of fish and I don't even have my pole. Dude, what is this?
Take it up in your net.
Can you see? Okay, thank you. Okay, we are gonna fish now. Gotta put my waterproof case handle thing around my wrist because I am going fishing. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna let y'all dangle. I'm just kidding. For a little bit. If I can fish. See this video here. Sorry, I'm not meaning to do that. Let me set the camera up.
Hey, let me hold it.
No, I got this.
Hell.
Yeah, yeah. Alright, you hold it.
Hey.
Wait, which way is it? Yeah, okay. So it's the outside one here. Put this on your wrist so you don't drop my phone.
I swear, you can't see
I'm
it.
gonna catch a fish right now. Currently about to catch a big game winner bass.
Hey, problem. You can't see a thing on the video.
No, you can. Okay, here, take this flashlight and shine it on me. Then.
I got my red one. I got my red
No,
one.
here. No, don't use that red one. Right there. Okay.
Oh, God.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Good. Keep the camera on me. I'm fishing today. I'll take some videos of you too. Right now. Shore's over there. That's not where
Alright, I'm making my red light out. It's way brighter.
Oh, yeah.
That one's not making a difference. Holy cow.
Is that your dad?
Probably.
Hope not.
People screaming. This one's way freaking brighter. Yep, it's him.
Okay, well, we have to leave now because we came out here in the boat and his dad.
We've been fishing for hours.
Yeah, we've been fishing for hours. We just haven't took the videos because we were actually fishing now. But we'll be sure to make another video soon, and we'll post it on YouTube. And I might do a live video too next time. So it's freaking bright. So we'll see. Comment below and tell us what you want us to fish for, either catfish or bass. Because right now we're doing bass, and we were doing catfish, but we don't know. Bass is better in this pond. So comment below and tell us what you want us to do. And Aiden's not always going to be with me though, but he's going to be in most of my fishing videos. And I'm gonna be going on some adventures and stuff soon, and like going to check out stuff and explore things. So that's it for today, and I will see y'all maybe tomorrow, because I'm gonna go fishing again.